All right, hi guys. So today is October 15th, 2024. So I decided to make a little video about the new Xbox that came out with the Galaxy pattern. So this is just easy, quick video. Just since it's out today, I decided I would make a video about it, the unboxing quickly. So there's no probably going to be barely any editing, but yeah. So just a quick video so that people that want to buy it can see what it looks like, how we receive it. So I got it exactly on the 15th through the mail. The box was all crushed, but happily, as you can see, the box is fine. So that's fun. So yeah, so here's the new Xbox. There's turned it around a few times, so you can see it has the 2 terabyte solid state drive, the new pattern. You can see all the settings. So it still has the 4K Blu-ray, has the CD drive, can do 8K, high dynamic range. Has a few things more that you can see them all here. So I'll open this right now so that the video is not too long. Possibly you can hear my 3D printer behind, so that I might do a few videos about that later. I want to start making more videos, so sorry I have the camera on the tripod. So here's the first thing. So I'll go on the other side so that it's easier to see. So I'll see what this first thing is. Oh, okay, this slides open, so that's pretty cool. We'll see on the side here. So what do we have? How do we even open this? Okay. Just an Xbox logo, as you can see right here. So the Galaxy D-pad with the same design. We have the cables for the power supply, HDMI. Oh, it's a bit too high. So HDMI, power supply cable, the controller. I think this is the instructions. Yep, instructions. Little battery box, 2 batteries. And I'll put this aside. Here's the controller with the D-pad. Pretty cool controller. The green back. Still has the regular battery pack. So it's the exact same controllers that we see usually. It's just that it has a different pattern, and it's a limited edition controller, but basically the same thing. And then what do we have here? Let's see. How do we open this one? I'll pull here. I'll probably rip it by accident, but we'll try. Oh, okay, here it goes. So what's in here? I think there's nothing in here. It's just cardboard. I'm not too sure. Yeah. It's just so that it's not brown cardboard, so they closed it in this just to make it nicer, but there's absolutely nothing in this. And then they put a little bag around it, keep it safe. Oh, got it. This another cardboard, nothing in here. We have the Xbox in here. Let's open this here. Damn. Alright, so I'll bring it up a bit closer. It's pretty heavy. My first Xbox Series X, I decided to go with the new one, the limited edition version. I'll probably buy also on Amazon. I'll leave a link below, but you can buy some rubber caps to cover whatever you're not using, so that it doesn't have as much dust in it. So to take care of your machine, and I think it's like $12. So it's a lot cheaper, and you even have like I think it's a magnetic top to put on top of here, so that it doesn't have the dust go inside directly, because as you can see, there's a lot, like the holes are big. But yeah, so that's the Xbox. Still the CD drive, the CD button, the controller, connection button, 1 USB, power buttons here. What else do we got? We got little rubber feet to put it on its side like this. What else? So yeah, 2 USBs, 1 memory slot, expandable. It says storage, expansion, Ethernet port, HDMI, That's the power supply port, and this seems to be just I think ventilation. Not too sure actually. I'd have to search that up, but I think this is nothing. So yeah, that's all that's in the box. This is just more cardboard. Put a lot of cardboard to protect it, which is a good thing since my box got crushed. But yeah, a lot of protection, so very happy I'll be trying that today. Try to download all my games. Mostly Warzone is what I play. Might stream that eventually, but for now we'll just try it, see if it's a lot better, because I'm still on the Xbox One S. So this is going to be a big upgrade. Hopefully they won't release another Xbox in the next year, because I just got this one for pretty expensive, so. But we'll see. That's the release this year, so we'll see. But I'm pretty happy about this. We'll see how it goes, and let me know if you got one. I want to know how many people actually got it, because it was more expensive than the regular one. Only difference was the 2 terabyte storage, basically. But since I was buying a new one, I was like, nah, I'll put the extra and get this version. Just no specific reason. Like, you don't need to get this version. It's just a limited edition. It's more expensive for not much difference. I just felt like getting it. But yeah, so here's a little video, quick video, just to show you what it looks like, open box. So I can show you the controller again. But yeah, pretty happy. So let me know what you want to see. I do 3D printing. I game a bit, not that much, but I game, mostly Warzone. And yeah, I have a Nissan 370Z. I have cars, all that. I'm not going to put the intro that I used to have on this channel. It's on one of my old videos if you want to see it. But I might tweak it, change it, or I want to start posting a bit more. So if you're interested in stuff like this, I'll try to get better quality, because this is very raw video, no editing. I don't think I'll edit it at all. So for this time, but if you want to subscribe and follow, or I'll try to post more. So yeah, let me know what you think and what you want to see. Thank you very much.